Welcome to an author-led book event in Perusall. Designed for authors looking to organically build buzz around their books and create a dynamic, interactive reading experience with their readers. With an author-led book event, you can turn your book launch, new edition, or custom published title into an engaging social experience, connecting directly with your readers and letting them engage with each other. Using Perusall's platform, your audience can highlight text, leave comments, and even engage with video or audio content, keeping the conversation going by sharing insights, asking questions, and replying to each other's comments. Perusall makes it easy for readers to join your event from anywhere, read on their own schedule, and actively discuss your book's ideas in real time. Setting up an event is seamless with Perusall. First, confirm that your ebook is included in Perusall's catalog. As Perusall's catalog has over 1.2 million titles, chances are your ebook is available. But if not, it can easily be added by sending a request to orders@perusall.com. Organize reading into weekly discussions or your preferred timeline. Add introductions, guiding instructions, and other materials like videos, podcasts, or web pages in your course. Highlight key text for discussion prompts to spark conversations. And to wrap up the experience, you can even host a live event, online or in person, to bring your readers together for a final discussion. Connect with your readers and build excitement around your book. Contact us at support@perusall.com to start your book event today.